once again I'm welcoming you back in my channel, Literature Study at Home. As you know, we are going to the World Classic, and in our recent topic, we are discussing paper 1 of NET and SET exam. And to your great pleasure, I'm sharing great news. Yesterday, that is on 11th of July, West Bengal SET, which is conducted everywhere, got published. And being a mentor and being a teacher, I have attended it and I qualified too. And a great announcement to you. Until now, I am teaching now. And from now on, another faculty member will attend this great journey, and I think it will be great beneficial for you, because you know, in that short time, it is very much a laborious task for me to complete the paper 1 and also going to that World Classic. So I know I need to give introduction about him. He is a colleague, and along with he's a faculty member of IGRA SSB College, and it will be a great experience to you to get lesson from him. So I'm welcoming him just right now. Okay, just wait for him.
Good morning to all of you. It's a great pleasure for me, and it's a great proud moment basically for me, because I am going to be a part of that literature study at home, and as it's a great initiative taken by our colleague, our another true self of me, Mr. Manik. So it is a great achievement, it is a big proud moment, it is a jovial day, it is a jovial moment for us to be a part of that academic platform, literature study at home. And another point, it is a great news for us, and you'll be glad to know that, and I am going to be a part of that academic platform. And recently, the West Bengal SET, as it has been conducted by West Bengal government, West Bengal College Service Commission, the result has been published yesterday, and I qualified at that exam. And another feather has been added to my colleague, as he has also qualified in NET for 2 times. But another golden feather has been added to his literary career, to his academic progress, to his academic journey. He also qualified WBSET too. So it is a great moment. It is a great proud for us, and basically we are going to share, to disseminate our ideas about literary ideas, about literary talk in future. So I think you all will cooperate with us, you will all join with us, and I think you will share among your friends, among your colleagues, and if you like that channel, if you are benefited by that channel, I think all of you get subscribe that channel, Literature Study Home, to get updated from the academic update from that literature study at home. That's all. Thank you.